Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Amy here today. If you first time visit my YouTube channel, I have to say welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you enjoy watching this brief short video tutorial. And guys, don't forget to click subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to click likes as well. I have to say I'm very happy that I was finished this junk journal Halloween notebook. This is the third one that I was finishing within this 2 months before Halloween coming. I very exciting about this Halloween coming, and I was really enjoy making this Halloween junk journal notebook. If you're interested about this kind of junk journal, I already posting another 2 junk journal video of Halloween theme. You can be able to check it out in my YouTube channel. This junk journal is different from the previous 2 junk journal that I made. It was measured 6x8. It contained about 50 pages and it have about more than 50 vintage Halloween ephemera inside this journal, including a lot of die cut, including a lot of image, journaling card, and I was adding a vintage reptile advertisement in this journal as well. Every page is unique and very different, and I'm gonna go through all the page with you guys in the fifth through. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I will see you guys next time, because I was planning to make another junk journal of the vintage Halloween Frankenstein journal. So if you guys doesn't want to miss out with my new YouTube video upcoming, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. And I hope you enjoy watching this fifth through video. Thank you.